Brazil hosts the massive Amazon rainforest, which stands out as a global natural treasure. Countless unique plants and animals live here, so scientists explore the region daily. Environmental groups team up with local tribes because the trees produce vital oxygen. Heavy rains fall throughout the year, although some dry spells occur occasionally. People around the world look up to this vast forest for its rich biodiversity. The famous Rio Carnival takes place every year, and it draws millions of cheerful visitors. Dancers put on colorful costumes while energetic samba schools compete for grand titles. Lively street parties break out across the city, so everyone joins the massive celebration. Musician groups play loud rhythms, but the main parades carry on until dawn. Local residents stand out with their energy because music flows through their veins. The famous Rio Carnival takes place every year, and it draws millions of cheerful visitors. Dancers put on colorful costumes while energetic samba schools compete for grand titles. Lively street parties break out across the city, so everyone joins the massive celebration. Musician groups play loud rhythms, but the main parades carry on until dawn. Local residents stand out with their energy because music flows through their veins. Football brings citizens together across the nation, and children play in every street. Young fans cheer on their national team whenever a big stadium match starts. Legendary athletes pass down great athletic skills because passion drives their daily training. Fans show off bright yellow jerseys, but they also respect historical sports heroes. Brazil holds 5 World Cup titles, so international sports enthusiasts admire them. The giant Christ the Redeemer statue stands on Mount Cocobado and oversees Rio. Tourists line up for tickets every morning, although long queues form very quickly. Electric trains travel up the steep hill while visitors take stunning photos above. Bright city lights turn on at sunset, so the entire bay looks truly majestic. Guidebooks point out this iconic monument because it represents national heritage and peace. Brazilian food offers rich flavors, so street vendors set up popular food stalls. Families prepare black bean stew called feijoada, and they dish out large plates. Fresh cheese bread rolls pop up at breakfast, but acai bowls refresh people later. Tropical fruits grow abundantly in orchards because the warm climate helps agriculture. Traditional chefs hand down famous recipes while visitors try out new tropical tastes. Brazil stands out as the largest coffee exporter, and production grows every single season. Vast agricultural plantations stretch across green hills because the soil nurtures crops. Farmers wake up early every day, so they harvest ripe coffee beans carefully. Local cafes serve fresh roasted coffee while global markets demand huge daily shipments. Industry experts count on Brazilian coffee beans since the bold flavor remains unmatched. Music fills everyday life in Brazil, and acoustic guitars create soothing melodic tunes. Bossa nova rhythms chill out listener crowds while traditional instruments add deep beats. Young musicians catch on to classic songs because famous legends inspire their style. Radio stations play samba hits daily, but jazz influences also blend into songs. Local artists perform live in cozy venues, so audiences sing along with delight. Copacabana and Ipanema beaches draw in crowds of locals and international tourists alike. Swimmers dive into clear ocean waves while beachgoers soak up the warm sunshine. Vendors walk along the sandy shore, so they sell cold coconut water continuously. Sports enthusiasts set up volleyball nets, but casual pedestrians just stroll along boardwalks. Sunsets give off a golden glow, and happy families stay out until late evening. Brazil brings together diverse cultures, so the society displays a rich social tapestry. Native traditions mix with European customs, while African heritage shapes regional art forms. Immigrant communities fit in smoothly because inclusive local values welcome new arrivals. Festivals show off unique folk dances, but regional dialects also enrich everyday speech. Historians point out this multicultural background since dynamic interactions define national identity. Iguacu Falls stands as a magnificent natural marvel, and grand waterfalls rush down cliffs. Dense mist rises into the air, so colorful rainbows show up above deep gorges. Boardwalks extend over roaring waters while wild animals walk around protected national parks. Eco-tourists head out on jungle boat rides, but visitors always respect nature rules. Park rangers look after native wildlife species because preserving nature matters to everyone.